welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Precious, aka Miss Pookie, and if you're new here, please do like, definitely comment and subscribe. I'm dying of a horrible flu. I could hardly get up in the morning, but now I'm feeling a whole lot better. I'm feeling a whole lot better. So anyways, I am on a weekend getaway, a weekend trip, recharge. I think it's because it's like the middle of the year. So yeah, my friend is in this certain club and she invited me, and because I like things, I am here. So anyways, we are at a place called The Village in, I think it's Mtoko, or it's right before Mtoko, but I know it's definitely after Bora, I think. So do not forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, and I hope I will enjoy this weekend and this flu will not get in the way of my enjoyment. So let's go for day 1, which is Saturday, the 22nd of July. To day 1 officially. Today we are doing some activities, and I'll take you guys on a tour around this very beautiful place. And yeah, it's something out of the norm that I usually do. I'm not an adventurous person and I'm not a people's person, so this is definitely a weekend with a bit of spice. So do not forget to like, definitely comment and subscribe. Why not? What is it? Mom can't say.
Why?
Mom can't say.
Should this be something recording you?
I think so. You want to? Thank you. And the food. No one. I think I should also get your food. You want more?
Nah, it's okay.
You want to?
Tinodzoka.
We'll come back for seconds.
Yebo. Agararo.
It's not coughing enough for you.
Precious, please don't be dramatic, okay? Please don't be dramatic, okay?
How am I being dramatic?
Don't be dramatic.
How am I being dramatic? Zelda. Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm a happy girl. I'm enjoying my day thus far. Anyways, so we spent the whole afternoon doing some some team building activities. It brought out the other side of me, which is like the interactive, adventurous side, and that's definitely not me. But anyways, I did enjoy. My flu is getting better. Now we're going for a game drive. So I'm here to change. It's kind of getting a bit chilly, but I have to look cute for the zebras. So let's do a quick outfit change and we head on to the game drive. Hi guys, so I've changed in preparation for the game drive. I'm wearing this dungaree, this top, this long sleeve top, and I'm gonna wear white sneakers. I think the other guys should be preparing to go now, so let's go. I'm not sure if they're actually animals here. They just said it's a game drive, but I'm not sure if they're animals, but let's just see what they have in store for us. And yeah, this is the room. I don't know if I showed you guys a tour yesterday. I'm sleeping with my friend. There are 3 beds, but then it's just the 2 of us in here, and I'm super duper excited.
20 plus years of selling Johnson & Johnson. I started out as a baby-faced monster. No wonder it's diaper rash on my conscience. My teeth and ring was numb by that nonsense. Gym star, razor, and a dinner plate. Arm and hammer and a mason jar, that's my dinner date. Then crack the window in the kitchen, let it ventilate. Cause I let it sizzle on the stove like a minute stick. Nigga, I was cracking the school zone. 2 peoples on me, started jacket that was 2-tone. 4 lockers, 4 different bitches got their mule on. Black Ferris Bueller cutting school with his jewels on. Couldn't do wrong with a chest full of chains and an arm full of watches. But I sell for pain in the hood, I'm a doctor. Chicago, tried to fight the urge like Ivan Drago. If he dies, he dies like Doughboy the Trey. If he rides, he rides, throwing punches in his room. If he cries, he cries. We don't take away the pain. When a nigga die, we add a link to the chain. Inscribe a nigga name in your flesh. We playing on a higher game of chess. Once you delegate his bills, who gon' fuck his bitch the best? 1,000,000 megapixels of the Pyrex. Started on the scale, did you tell my only Timex? Nigga, this is timeless, simply cause it's honest. Pure as the fumes that be fucking with my sinus. Nigga, this is Simon Says, Simon Red. Blood on your diamond till you dying, dead. Yeah.
You better
You wanna see a dead body? Instrumentals from my mama's Christmas party. Troubles on my mind. I still smell crime. My little brother crying. Smokers repeatedly buying my Sega Genesis. Either that or my auntie was stealing it. Hit the pipe and start feeling it. Ooh, we cut me some slack. We never did that. This was different. Jeez Louise, please help me relax. Quantum physics could never show you the world I was in when I was 10. Back when 9 ounces had got you 10. And 9 times out of 10, niggas don't pay attention. And when there's tension in the air, nines come with extensions. My daddy turned a quarter piece to a 4.5. Took a L, started selling soap fiends, bubble bath. Broke his nails and his shoes in his pinky to treat his nose. Shirt buttoned open, taco meat laying on his gold. I said, Daddy, one day I'ma get you right with 36 sips. 1,000 grams of cocaine, then your name will be rich. Now you can rock it up or sell it soft as leather interior. Drop some ice cubes in it, deep on perimeters. He said, son, how come you think you be my connect? I said, pops, your ass is washed up with all due respect. He said, well, nigga, then show me how it all makes sense. Go figure, motherfucker, every verse is a brick. Your son dope, nigga. Now reap what you sold, nigga. Please reap what you sold, nigga. I was born in 87, my granddaddy a legend. Now the same shit that y'all was smoking is my profession. Let's get it. You better drink what comes out your speaker. You better drink. You better drink what comes out your speaker. They must be on the motherfucker, every verse is a brick. Your son dope, nigga. Now reap what you sold, nigga. Please reap what you sold, nigga. I was born in 87, my granddaddy a legend. Now the same shit that y'all was smoking is my profession. Let's get it. You better drink what comes out your speaker. You better drink. You better drink what comes out your speaker. They must be on the
Hi guys, good morning. Yane. I do not have a voice. Okay, it's there, but it's the flu. Yeah, anyways, good morning guys. Today it's Sunday. I'm not sure if the day is 23, I think. And today is checkout and going back home day. It's currently 7 to 8, I think. We're about to go and head over for breakfast. And before that, I think I'm just going to have, a minute to journal, a minute to take it all in, a minute to appreciate where I am, and I will see what happens next. So do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace. How was your weekend?
Weekend was fine.
Is that all? You made Precious? You made a new friend in Precious?
Nah.
It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. How was your weekend? Sure.
What I want to say is not good for camera.
Okay.
Yeah.
How was your weekend?
It was okay. I'll give the CLC
You are sure.
7.5.
They can do better next time.
Is the lighting good, by the way?
You look nice.
Do I look nice? No, wait. I was having my 5 minutes of fame. So welcome to my YouTube channel.
Wrong platform. Okay. How was your weekend?
Refreshing, recharging. I was well rested.
For sure? Were you rested? Fun experiences?
I met fun people, unique people. I enjoyed my experience.
Can you please say one of them by name?
Precious.
Oh my God. How was your weekend?
My weekend was okay. It was fun, amazing.
You enjoyed? Refreshed?
Hello, refreshed.
Recharged?
And unplugged.
Nice. How was your weekend?
It was interesting. The boring part is that I'm now going back with the car that I didn't come here with.
How is that boring? You're gonna... Apparently, you're supposed to get used to everyone in GCF. Yeah, so you have to enjoy the trip back home.
So let me see the adventure.
You enjoyed it though, the whole weekend.
I did. Meeting new people.
Refreshed, recharged.
Refreshed and recharged.
Nice.
Thank you.
No. Andes. Uchaga network. Lincoln. Okay, Diana. How was your weekend?
Well, it was fun-packed and very interesting in a weird way. In as much as I've been to so many conferences, so many things, this was
Top notch. I'm glad you enjoyed. I'm glad you did, madam. Panang di hoyo.